How to fix TikTok's something went wrong problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. This is a very quick fix that you can carry out. First and foremost, you need to press and hold onto your application, then head to App Info. Over here, tap on the 4-stop button and OK. Head to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. Once done, you can head back from here. Scroll down your notification center and check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, you can switch into a cellular data or enable the airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. Then again, launch your TikTok app. The problem must be solved. If not, what you need to do is you need to launch your phone settings. Within your phone settings, scroll down until you see the option of System Update. You need to ensure that your mobile system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of your TikTok or any other app. By this way, you'll be able to fix your TikTok something went wrong problem. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.